This is the RMA video of my TCL QM7K. There's not much to show because it's the buzzing sound in the back that's quite faint, but you can hear it all the time. I don't know if this will pick it up or not.